In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes online using Turbotax in just a few minutes. This tutorial is designed to guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can complete your tax filing efficiently and accurately. So whether you're a first-time filer or just need a refresher, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the official Turbotax website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're new to TurboTax, you'll need to create an account, which is a fairly straightforward process involving entering your email and a secure password. After signing in, you'll reach your tax home. This is your main dashboard where you can access various features of TurboTax. Next, you'll click on the My Info section. This step is crucial as it's where you'll enter your personal details like your name, address, and social security number. Make sure this information is accurate and up to date. Any discrepancies could slow down the filing process or result in potential errors. Once you've completed your personal information, the next stage is clicking on Review/Edit. This gives you a chance to go over the information you've entered and make sure everything looks right before moving on. It's always a smart idea to double check for any typos or inaccuracies at this stage. Following this, you'll return to the My Info section once more. It's common to revisit this area in case of any last minute changes or updates to your details. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, you'll proceed to the next tab, the Personal Profile. Here, you'll provide more specific information about your tax situation. TurboTax typically asks for details regarding your employment status, income, and any dependents. Be honest and thorough with this section as it's essential for determining your tax liabilities or any potential refunds. At this point, TurboTax will guide you through the remainder of the filing process, utilizing the information you've input. It's intuitive software that will prompt you to upload necessary documents like W-2s or to input additional financial information like deductions or credits you may be eligible for. And there you have it, you've now successfully learned how to navigate the TurboTax online platform to file your taxes. Remember, it's important to save your progress frequently during the process, and don't hesitate to reach out to TurboTax support if you run into any issues. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be daunting, especially with such handy online tools available. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and best of luck with your filing.